Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use AirDrop on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to use AirDrop on iPhone, you'll have to turn on your Bluetooth. So in order to turn your Bluetooth on, go to your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, tap and hold on this box. Once you hold on it, this will pop up. On this pop-up, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. If it is off, tap on this icon to turn it on. Now, once you turn on your Bluetooth, hold on this icon. Once you hold on it, this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Now, you'll be able to receive AirDrop from anyone. And in order to send something from AirDrop, first you'll have to select the item. For example, if I want to share this photo, tap on the share icon. Then you will see this option AirDrop, tap on it. Now once you do this, you will see the name of the recipient on the upper box, and if both of you have updated your iOS to iOS 17 or latest, then you'll be able to use AirDrop just by holding the top of your iPhone near other iPhone. So this is how you use AirDrop. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.